Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a green screen video. So you need to find a green screen video, which you see here, and a photo or video that you want to be underneath. Drag the underneath video to our project and then take the green screen video on the top of the photo or video selected to be underneath. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the size of the green screen. Yeah, and now click on the green screen. Click on remove BG, and you see this option here next to chroma key. Click on this, and with your mouse pointer somewhere on the green, and click on it, and it will just remove the green. Take the density to 60. And now look what we have now. Subscribe for more.